Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can reverse speed and how we can play clip backwards in Adobe Premiere 2019. So all you have to do, you have a clip here, right click on it. Let's play it first so we can see that. Okay. Classic Premiere is lagging again. Right click on it, speed and duration. And when you have it, click reverse speed. And as you can see, the waves are going back to the ocean. They are not, and if you play it again without reverse speed, see the waves from the ocean are coming to us. So this is how we can do it. This is how we can play clip backwards in a Premiere Pro 2019. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me, subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody, and goodbye.